welcome. Today I have new box here to open, and this box I'm especially would say excited about because I finally was able to put my hands on some Gucci. So they just spend like, I guess, a lot of time to package one simple small item that most of the other stores, they just put it in a plastic bag and put it in mailer box and that's it. But these guys do it super luxury and do it really fashionably. So this is it. For just one item, it's a lot of packaging. I would say this packaging costs like, I don't know, like half of this item probably. Okay, so nothing inside. Okay, and the packaging is super cute. All this bag, I so much like all this Gucci. And this is the item. Okay, let's open it up and see. So hopefully it's gonna work for me, because then I buy stuff from Burberry, from Balmain or Givenchy, it's always about 12. So I have one t-shirt is 12 years old, and yes, Burberry and Givenchy is 12 years old, and House Balmain it's 16. So usually from 12 to 16 I can buy stuff from kids section. And as for me, I'm 5'2" and about 100 pounds, and boob size is 32B. Okay, so, and I'm not sure about this item. Hopefully it's gonna be fine for me. Hopefully it's gonna be big enough, because I saw several videos on YouTube. There are people bigger than me buying these t-shirts from Gucci in size 10 kids section. So hopefully it's gonna be okay for me too, because this is size 10 and they actually look very big. So let's just see. So this is a blue one, just what I like. I mean, this packaging was so beautiful. Okay, a lot of paper, a lot of boxes, a lot of, they spend really like a lot of time to doing all this packaging. They send this envelope with all this shipping labels, returning and stuff. Everywhere says Gucci, like everywhere. Okay, and t-shirt looks really cute and really big as for what I see right now. But let's just take these box out and see how it looks. So this is it, the t-shirt from Gucci from kids section in size 10. And let's see. So actually all these videos that I looked, they did say true, because this quite big, and this gonna be definitely good for like anyone who's wearing extra small or even small, I guess. Yeah, extra small is gonna be good for everyone. I mean, because it looks like it's gonna be even a little bit probably oversized. It's definitely gonna fit me. So, and it's even probably gonna have some extra space. It's not gonna be tight. Like I saw videos where people was trying like size 8, and it was like super skinny, completely like tight. It's more like a tank or like a crop top. It looked nice, so I would wear it if I see something that I extremely like and they have like only size 8 available. I would take it. But the one I wanted, they had like size 6, so it's totally not gonna work. But this one, it's super cute. It's one of my favorite colors, like light blue, and it's gonna work. It's gonna work like with everything, I guess. So all this information here is like size 10, and so 140, I guess it means how tall you are. It's about like 140 for child size 10, and this is 100% cotton, so made in Italy. Okay, date of production even says March 2020. It's actually not really a long time created at all. And as you can see here, it has this beautiful logo. It's Gucci and some red like little spots, and it feels very nice. I mean, it's not gonna be like, you know, tear it apart or something, because the other t-shirt that I got from Givenchy for kids, it's really like super need to be like, you know, wearing gently, because all this distressed Givenchy sign, it's really like doesn't look to me it's gonna work like for a long time. I think it's gonna fall apart, but hopefully not. So all these details here about this t-shirt, and yeah, like all the details and stuff. So, and here it says the classic Gucci made in Italy, and this is size 10 t-shirt for, I don't know, boys or girls. I guess it just doesn't matter, because I opened Just Child and they show up this t-shirt in both boys and girls. So, and I do actually really like this t-shirt, because as you can see, it's quite big. So like this my hand, and this like this t-shirt, so it's really should be kind of oversized for me. Hopefully it's gonna be oversized, yes. And for the price, it's totally worth it, because the price for this t-shirt is $195 plus tax. It's like $212, something like that. And for example, if you just looking for the same t-shirt, kind of the same t-shirt from adult section, it's gonna be about $600. Like they starting from $500 and goes depending on this like color pattern, all this, how it says Gucci on it. It goes from 500 to like 900, even $1,000. So it's extremely expensive for just a t-shirt. I'm not saying that $195 is not expensive, especially for t-shirt for a child, but at least if you want a Gucci and you can have it for like cheaper price, why not? Because usually Gucci is not one of these brands that you can find in Century 21 on any other discounted stores. I mean, you can, but it's really super rare, like extremely rare. So that's why if you can fit in Gucci kids section, why not to try it on? So thanks for watching this part.